How to enable SSH on a Raspberry Pi. Open the terminal. If you're on the desktop, click on the terminal icon. Type the following command in the terminal and press enter. Sudo raspi-config and press enter. Use the arrow keys to navigate to interface options and press enter. Next, select P2 SSH and press enter. You'll be asked if you want to enable SSH. Select yes and press enter after enabling SSH. You'll see a message that SSH has been enabled. Assuming you already know your Raspberry Pi IP address, now you can use PuTTY to connect via SSH to the Raspberry Pi.